Friends, it's spring, and that means, among other things, we're eating garlic again. And it's true, this is beautiful garlic, and it's true, we're not going to be harvesting it until 4th of July, mid-July, but we're eating it already. And here's the thing, once garlic, you plant it in the fall, and once it's regrowing in the spring and has 6 to 7 leaves, you can begin to enjoy 1 to 2 of its leaves every month. And so that's another reason to grow lots of garlic, so that you can eat a garlic leaf every day. But know that I like to eat them. I like to harvest the ones that are down low, and I simply peel them back. They smell so good, and think of them as just garlic. I can put this in a salad dressing, in a stir fry, fry it with eggs, any way that I would use garlic. I can use a garlic leaf, and that way you have this beautiful green garlic flavor all the way from spring all the way to when you actually are harvesting your garlic. So now you know.